आदाब नाजरीन, बिदरी 9 न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। आज शहर बिदर के मशहूर स्कूल स्प्रिंग फील्ड में बच्चों का साइंस एग्जीबिशन मुनक्किद किया गया, जिसमें औलिया तलबा ने अपने अपने प्रोजेक्ट में हिस्सा लेकर सामाईन का दिल जीत लिया। बच्चों के इस प्रोग्राम में बच्चों के वालिदैन ने शिरकत की और औलिया तलबा और स्कूल की मैनेजमेंट की काफ़ी सताइश की और खुशी का इजहार किया।
Good afternoon, myself MD Aftab. As you know, today is our school. So I have made a social project. My topic name is State Union Territories and their capital. As you know, many of the students they don't know the capital states and they don't know the capital union territories and states. So I have made this project for better understanding, for playing as well as in remembering this. So Karnataka's capital is Bengaluru. These all the capitals. And when I'm starting from here, it is not blinking and light is not blinking. When I'm keeping on Bengaluru, it is blinking. So if I am keeping on Maharashtra, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. I am keeping on another capital, it is not blinking. When I am blinking in Mumbai, it is blinking. When because Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. And thank you if and this make learning easy. If you like the project, so vote serial number is 1. Thank you so much.
In this exhibition, I got a chance to participate. My topic name is types of triangle. There are 6 types of triangle. First one is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, there are 3 equal sides, 3 equal angles. Second one is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, these 2 sides are equal, this is not. And these 2 angles are equal, this is not. Now, third one is scalene triangle. In scalene triangle inside, these 3 sides are not equal to each other and angles also not equal to each other. Now, fourth one is acute triangle. In acute triangle inside, these angles are less than 90 degree. Now, fifth one is right triangle. In right triangle inside, this one angle is equal to 90 degree, this 2 is not. Now last one is obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle inside, this one angle is more than 190 degree, this 2 is not. Thank you. You like my project means you vote me. My cell number is 2. Thank you.
Our project name is parallel lines.
For transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal.
This is known as transversal and these two are parallel lines. the 110 degree, 100 degree are equal. Now this one is corresponding angle, or above the RHS or above the LHS, this much is corresponding angle. Above this line is vertically opposite angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4 and angle 1 equal to angle 3. Vertically opposite angles. Thank you.
We made our project EVM machine. EVM machine full form is electronic voting machine, and previously they would use to vote by the ballot chips. Now it replaced EVM machine. This EVM machine first used in India in 2004 Goa Assembly. And if you don't want to vote any party, so you can vote for Nota. But Nota full form is none of the above. And
there are two types of EVM machine. One is M2 and M3. The cost of M2 is 8,670 and the M3 cost is 7,000. Thank you.
these machines work on valid.
Studying 8th standard, I am going to explain what Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower was built by Gustave Eiffel to celebrate the 100th anniversary of French Revolution. French Revolution means the people of French fought to give French people to get the democracy. It was supposed to be demolished after 20 years, but for 40 years it was the world's tallest structure. The Eiffel Tower was the world's tallest structure until 1919. It includes 3 levels, as you can see here. It shrinks in winter. Heat causes a increase in volume that makes the Eiffel Tower few inches taller. This expansion also causes the tower to tilt slightly away from the sun. There are total 1665 steps are there in Eiffel Tower. Thank you.
Myself, Mohammad Mustafa from 8th standard. He is my classmate. Today, my topic name is base and acid. Acid is anything that substance solution taste changes blue litmus paper to red. What is base? So I am explaining. It is a turmeric. I am putting in water. It is yellow color and I am mixing. It is a detergent powder and I am mixing in turmeric solution. It will become orange color. It is acid. I am mixing it in detergent powder. It will become cool yellow color. Become cool yellow color. Solution. Thank you.
Solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, asteroid, meteors, and millions of stars. The sun is known as the head of the solar system because all the planets revolve around sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It takes 66 days to revolve around the sun. Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. It takes 218 days to revolve around the sun and it takes 248 days to rotate, which means a day on Venus is larger than its year. Earth is known as blue planet because 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Mars is also known as red planet. It is the fourth closest planet to the sun. There is a myth that aliens are present in Mars, but it is not proven yet. Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter has 66 moons and the largest moon is Io. Saturn has a beautiful ring around it which is made of dust particles. Uranus is the seventh closest planet to the sun. It was first found by William with his telescope. Neptune is the last planet in the solar system. Pluto was also considered as a planet until 2006 until International Astronomical Union changed the definition of planet and Pluto did not adopt the requirement. Pluto is now known as dwarf planet.
My name is Ismail Abdullah, studying in 8th standard. My experiment is respiration of lungs or respiratory system. When we inhale oxygen, pure oxygen, not food, we inhale different types of gases like air pollution, factories, smoke. When we inhale and dust particles will go to nose, and it stops in nose because of nose hairs. It's various types of gases, and oxygen moves from here. It is divided into two parts. This part is known as meristerium, and this part filters the oxygen or air. This part is known as trachea, and this lungs go to here. Like root structure is this known as bronchi, and in front of that, like cabbage flower, that structure is known as alveolo. The function of alveolo is the exchange of lungs into exchange of gas, exchange of blood, and we inhale and exhale 12 to 20 times per minute. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Suman and he is my classmate Rajat. Our topic name is expiratory system. Kidney are V-shaped organs. They are located in the bridge. One of them are beside the spine, and their main function is to clean the toxins of blood and convert into urine. The weight of kidney is 160 grams. Thank you.
From 9th, myself Cash, and explaining the project circle theorem. What is circle? A closed figure drawn from a fixed point, it is known as circle. The outermost layer of the circle, it is known as circumference, which cut the circle into equal half, it is known as diameter. The half of diameter, it is known as radius, or we can also tell a line which join the center of the circle and the point of a circumference. It is also known as radius. This is known as chord. What is circle theorem? Equal chord subtend equal angle at the center. That means we have taken a 20 centimeter chord and another of 20 centimeter chord, and two radii, here also two radii, and the angle here is equal to 70 degree, and here also the angle is equal to 70 degree. That means this triangle is equal to this. That proves the theory. What is the use of this? This is used in making AC, water pump, airports, building. Thank you.
I got chances of the exhibition. So my topic name is Charminar. Charminar is the most high monument located in Telangana, Hyderabad. The Charminar was constructed in 1591 by Muhammad Philip Gupta. The Charminar was built for acknowledgement of elimination of the plague. What is a plague? Plague means it is a disease which caused by a rat. The Sultan had prayed for the end of this plague. After end of this plague, he constructed the Charminar and the of Allah. The Charminar construction started in 1589 and it was completed in 2 years at the cost of 9 lakhs. Thank you.
प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हैं हमने यहाँ पर एक एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया है और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है और हर प्रोजेक्ट जो है हमारे बच्चे खुद बनाए हैं, कोई भी बाहर से या रेडीमेड प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है। सो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि पेरेंट्स को आए, एग्जीबिशन देखें और हमारे बच्चों को अप्रिशिएट करें।
इसमें कितना टाइम लगा मैडम?
सर ये सिर्फ 4 डेज़ का प्रिपरेशन है। टू बी ऑनेस्ट ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ 4 डेज़ का प्रिपरेशन है सर। दिया है ये थीम दिया है और उन्होंने उस पर भी वर्क किया कम्प्लीटली। ये बच्चे खुद एक दूसरे की हेल्प करके और स्कूल में ही बनाए।
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
आपका
नाम?
मैं MS शाहीन, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द स्प्रिंगफील्ड पब्लिक स्कूल। Good afternoon everyone. I'm very happy to inform you that our student, we have organized a small exhibition here, and everything is made by the student, and it's really wonderful. And I request all of you to please attend and see what the projects they have made, and I hope you people will like that. Thank you.